the lip today. Just gotta take out all the bolts from the bumper. And there's like some bolts on one bolt right here. And two right here, and then the ones in the bottom. Look at all that scraping. Oh, that's where we're gonna put the lip. But first I'm gonna clean all this off. Up with 3, 6, 7 extra bolts. Screws. I screwed everything in besides these. I forgot which ones go there, but none of these go in there. They're way too big. But everything's good. And it came out looking pretty clean compared to before. There's a little extra canards right there. Or I don't know if you could count those as canards, but yeah. It says STI right there. I might just take it off because I don't want to be one of those like people that wrap something that the car's not really it. But I'm gonna leave it there for now. Other than that, I'm done. I was gonna wash the car today, but I'm a little bit too lazy. So I'm gonna leave it like that. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be really short. But yeah.